Welcome to South Huron District High School. This is our video from Student Services, also known as Guidance. Here's our guidance team pictured from left to right. Myself, Amanda.Keller, is on the left. I'm a guidance counselor. Christy Bray, Student Success. Lori Nesbitt, our guidance secretary. And Shelley Westland, who is a guidance counselor, but also our department head. Not pictured is Ben Nielsen, who is our Connections program teacher. And take note, it was holiday pajama theme day when we took this picture. So what we do is academic counseling, timetabling and course changes, transition to high school, post-secondary and career counseling, individual and group appointments. We're part of the student success team, and we link students between online courses, specialist high skills major, and dual credits. And we're also a liaison between our students and outside opportunities such as SHD and youth employment programs. If you're trying to find student services, we're located right across from the cafeteria. And when you first come inside, you will see Miss Nesbitt at her desk with our two guidance counselor offices right behind. We have a large meeting space where we can bring in small and larger groups. Our bookshelf has books from different colleges, universities, and apprenticeship programs, and we have a workspace along the side for students to work if needed. We also provide on-site access to school-based and community services, such as mental health and addictions nurse, Choices for Change, our addictions counselor, our sexual health nurse, mental health coaches, safe homes for youth, and community counseling Exeter. We have private counseling rooms available for students to meet with these counselors. Students and parents can call or email the guidance secretary or guidance counselors or have their teacher call us if they require an appointment. We can arrange appointments with other services as required. Appointments with guidance counselors can be done in person, by phone, or through email. For our current South Huron grade 8 students, the guidance counselors will be visiting your grade 8 classrooms within South Huron District High School this week to discuss course selection for grade 9 and send paperwork home. Once the paperwork has been returned to the grade 8 classroom teachers, we will then revisit these grade 8 rooms where we will assist the students in entering their choices into our My Blueprint system. These students do not need to register. Their files will be automatically transferred to us. For our out-of-board students, these students do need to register. You can go to amdsb.ca, select Our Schools, School Registration, pre-register a student online, and for those unable to register online, you may print the form and bring it with you to the school. Our students at grade 9 are timetabled to earn 8 compulsory credits, 1W English, 1W Science, 1W Math, 1W Geography, 1D French, and then Health and Physical Education, which is open. Students will also all take part in the arts rotation, which has a sample of arts, including music, visual arts, and drama. Students then have one choice between business or the tech rotation. The tech rotation includes a sample of tech classes, including manufacturing, construction, automotive, tech design. This year it also included the foods class and the cosmetology class. With only 18 required credits, students have room for 12 or more elective courses throughout their career here at South Huron. By the time they get to grade 12, the only required course will be English. For online courses and online learning requirements, it came out in November 2019 that the Ministry of Education would like all students to complete 2 online courses. With the Avon-Maitland District School Board, we belong to a consortium of boards in the province, which allows our students to choose from a large variety of courses available throughout southwestern, even northern Ontario. This affiliation also allows us to provide online summer school courses to students who want to try to catch up on courses that were missed. Students may also choose to take an online course in grade 11 or 12, and the ministry is also developing a process for students and families to opt out of this requirement. So if online learning is not for you, that's also okay. Welcome to South Huron. We look forward to having our new grade 9s join us in September.